Welcome back, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Today I have a very special video, and it's special because I like doing it. We're gonna be painting and sprucing up the engine bay on the red Ford F-250, and so let's just get started on it. Alright, got all the tools out and everything. Let's just get right into it. What are we doing today?
Alright, we're gonna paint the battery tray. We're gonna paint these things, and then also the windshield wipers, and overall just clean all the dust and everywhere on this truck.
Yeah, it's really dusty. Like, look at that. This is actually my dad's truck. It's a F-250. I think 02. Yeah, I think it's an 02. And recently he got T-bone. You can see right there. It's like a nasty hit. But you see the other car. The other car got totaled, but held up like a champ. Come on, man. Just muscle into that.
I'm trying to break the parts.
Yeah, they're Ford. They don't break. Now if they were Dodge. So right now we're just making a pile over here about everything we're gonna be painting.
Can you pull the little flap right and yank it out?
Get that off. Yeah. Need some help there?
Yeah.
I call Boney the human ratchet, but you know, he's not always a human ratchet. So the way you do this is a little flap right there, like a little, I don't know what you would call that. Just pull that out and then it should come out straight up like that. The other one. Oh, man, get that one. Yeah, I can't do that one. It's always a walk of shame when you have to go get a chair because you're too short. That happens to you a lot, right, Boney?
There's no shame in getting a chair. It's respectable.
I don't know about that. So Boney's what, 5'8",
5'8", 3/4.
like 3/4. Yeah, he has to add the 3/4. So I'm gonna start doing a little tracker right here on all the short jokes we make, because he's the runt of the family. Already got him out. Go paint him. Already got all the stuff out. We're just gonna take a wire wheel, so like a wiper and the battery tray and all that. A wire will be enough. I'm gonna hit it with this Scotch-Brite patter here on the drill, and I'm just gonna run through it. Hopefully that can clean it up. I'm not too worried about like stuffing it up or giving like swirls on it. I'm gonna use primer on it, so I really don't care. Here at 10 Mile Garage, we like to, you know, spruce up things. One day you'll see us cleaning bolts, another day you'll see us putting nastier ones on the truck. Alright, here's your amateur tip of the day. Don't throw these old air filters out. Instead, when you're painting bolts, you use them to hold the bolt up, and then you just paint the head. Alright, amateur tip number 2. Whenever you're doing engine-based stuff, use a high heat primer. It goes a long way. If you're a Midland fan, you real. That is all we play here. Would you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now back to Midland. Alright, it is now the second day. We let the paint dry overnight. I have not looked at them, but from just staring at them right now, they're not looking too well as I thought they would be. Or like these are, I don't care about these can look ugly. And as far as this one, yeah, it looks exactly how I want it to look. But these are the ones that I'm worried about. I don't know if you can see in the camera that like we use the engine paint, it's not quite smooth. So that didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to be, but I think we can sand it down and put some better paint on it. This isn't perfect, so you know, this is real life. This happens all the time. You know, you think something's gonna come out looking good, but instead it kind of turns out all blotchy. I mean, look right there. Right, let me see if we can focus on it. No, I guess not. As far as these all look good. Nothing bad with them, nothing wrong. Now it's time to put them all back in the truck and then finish cleaning it up. Alright, so I just finished installing all the parts and they look great. Everything turned out exactly how I wanted it to be. And some of the parts even better than how I really imagined them. For like instance, like this like intake part, it now has like a deep rich black and it looks like practically brand new. Like that's how it came out of the factory. And everything, I hit everything with like Meguiar's, like that black trim restorer. It's like this has been hit with that. I put that stuff like on all the hoses and everything that essentially is like plastic in here. And now like y'all saw, this battery tray is now painted, so it's gonna give it more protection against that battery acid that falls on here. And overall, just I'm really happy with how it turned out. These trucks go through a lot of abuse and they're really neglected half the time. Actually, like most of the time, they're work trucks. Like that's how people treat them, and that's how they were designed to be treated. But I enjoy giving them like a new life, making it look how it did whenever it rolled off the factory. So if you enjoy watching these videos and you want to see more videos just like this one, please subscribe. I will be putting out 2 videos a week. So I'm on to the next one.